take number 3. Okay, so this video we're gonna be learning how to just make stuff, make a glass material with a Fresnel node. Have like this distortion, so it's gonna make a new material called glass. I'm just gonna add a parameter. By the way, if you're new to this tutorial series, the shortcut is V and left click. And here we're gonna make it a translucent material. Blend mode translucent, which makes it clear. And we're gonna set the opacity to vector parameter. I'm just gonna set it to 1.15. Just give materials black. So you can make it white. You can make the base color white, which basically doesn't really do anything. So yeah, there you have it. We have this basic glass material, maybe opacity 0.05. So we need Fresnel node, right? Fresnel node. So adding a Fresnel node, add it into refraction. Okay. So let's apply it. See what happens. Yeah. So we get this refraction. The edges, it gets bent a bit. That's it's subtle right now, but let's set the exponent to 7 and that to 0.2, which is maybe a bit overkill, but who cares really? Yeah, that looks a bit more like glass. Maybe could bring the base refraction to maybe 0.05 and make the exponent a bit smaller. This value is reversed, and if you don't know what the Fresnel node does, watch my other video in the tutorial series that will tell you how to use the Fresnel node and how to like hook it up to stuff and use it. But I think this is the first time that we're using it to make translucent materials. Yeah, so now, yeah, that's good. I think we should have scalar parameters. Exponent. Right, our exponent is 3, so let's make this exponent value to 2.5, and we're gonna add another parameter and call it base reflection, and put it into the base reflection. So basically, if we're using the Fresnel node, you saw it mask it to make the edges of the glass. So hopefully that made sense. And let's set this to, this was, how much was that? This was 0.05. 0.05. 5. Okay. So then we'll have like a material instance that we can control. Yeah. Let's right click. This will, compile a bit of shaders. And a bit of shader compiling. But when it's done compiling, we're gonna be good to go. So yeah. So basically, that's it. That's okay. Yeah, we put the values really exaggerated. Maybe the exponent shouldn't be 2.5. Maybe it should be like 4. And base reflection 0.1. Oh, sorry, that was my bad. 0.2. So, okay, yeah, that's way too big. Way too blurry. Reset to default. Yeah, no, that's good. Yeah, so those are just some artifacts that we get. If we reset both of these to their default value, we won't get those weird artifacts. But like this is a circle, so if we add in, we should add in like a cube, like a glass plane or something, so we can see the character through. Yeah. So basically that's our character, and you see it gets bigger like that when we get closer. See, like this is not perfectly aligned, and we can also, yeah, that was the last, that was from the last video. You see it reflects that the guy, and you see it can also reflect people, and yeah, so that's basically our glass tutorial done. Basically we're getting professionals at this.